Toxic Biohazard is perhaps one of Max Cluster's most complex synthesizers. It combines both frequency modulation techniques along with those of the more standard subtractive synthesis. One of the most famous FM synthesizers is most certainly Yamaha's DX7. For those out there that like the technobabble that goes along with these discussions, essentially one simple waveform will have its frequency modulated by another simple waveform. This then creates sounds completely different from either. This can result in sounds which using a traditional style synthesis can be difficult to create. To sum Toxic Biohazard up, it is 6 oscillators that each have their own volume envelope. Each of these oscillators can be used to frequency modulate any of the other oscillators using a matrix style interface, before passing through an analog style filter and a couple variable DSP effects, before passing through an equalizer and master section. Of all the Max Cluster interfaces, this is perhaps the most futuristic looking, and in my opinion, one of the best looking interfaces on any software instrument. As well as looking good, it is an extremely functional and easy to understand interface. The heart of any synthesizer is its sound source. And in Toxic Biohazard, this is represented by these 6 oscillators depicted on either side of the central section of the interface. The central section controls how these sounds are played through the instrument. It can also be switched to show the current MIDI assignments of the instrument, as well as a 64-step sequencer that can be used within the instrument. Below that section can be found the filter controls, including its own envelope. The filter itself can be switched between 3 different modes of operation. Beneath this can be found an 8-band graphic equalizer, and on either side there are 2 separate reassignable DSP effect units. There are also 2 low-frequency oscillators in this section here, and finally a set of master controls, including a master volume envelope at the top of the section.